Hi guys, welcome to another lockpicking video. Hopefully you enjoyed the last. If not, you can find a link to it in the description below. Today I'm going to take a quick look at the ABUS 65 Ti50 5-pin Titalium padlock. The Reddit lockpicking community are actually running a contest using this lock model at the minute, but the shipping to the UK was just too much to take part, so I picked one up over here just to take a look for myself. I'll show you the key quickly. Not too much variation in it. And just so you can see, it is a working lock as well. There we go. So today I'm just going to single pin pick this one, which shouldn't take me too long. There we go. That's another lockdown. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If so, give me a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.